What is the secret to success? Alam mo, pag tinitinan ko yung buhay ko, na-realize ko, it's humility. Hindi, totoo. Yung to be able to say, hindi ko alam, turuan mo ako. O kaya, nagkamali ako. O kaya, nagkasala ako. Patawarin mo ako. Tulungan mo ako magbago. Humility is the secret to success. Alam mo, I've been in ministry for 30 plus years. Hanggang ngayon, nag-aaral pa rin ako. I still read, I still go to seminars, I still go to my mentors and ask him to coach me. I still go to my audience, to the people I minister to, and I say, makasalanan ako. I need God's mercy and I need your help. Alam mo, dahil doon, God has been blessing me and my ministry and my whole life, and my marriage and my family, lahat-lahat. I'm gonna ask you this question. Do you want to be successful in your life? If you want to, be humble. My prayer for you is that this Holy Week will be a very blessed day and a very blessed week. This is Bo Sanchez praying for you.